Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Crayola Model Magic White is probably one of the most versatile and engaging art supplies available for creators of all ages, offering a unique, lightweight, and air-dry clay alternative that sparks imagination and allows for endless creative possibilities without the mess of traditional clay. Its smooth texture and vibrant potential make it an ideal medium for sculpting, crafting, and detailed artistic endeavors, ensuring that your projects come to life with ease and brilliance. Number 5. Original Stationery Soft Clay for Slime. Discover the ultimate soft clay for slime making. Its smooth, pliable texture is perfect for creating stretchy butter slime and endless imaginative crafts. Designed for little hands, this lightweight clay is ideal for making butter slime. It's compatible with all your favorite slime making supplies, ensuring a fun and easy experience. Transform this white modeling clay into amazing sculptures or unique slime creations. It works perfectly with activators, offering boundless opportunities for artistic expression and learning. Engage in delightful sensory play with this soft, moldable clay. It's perfect for cozy indoor activities, encouraging creative and imaginative fun for children. Looking for a unique gift? This DIY slime kit is perfect for birthdays and parties. Its buttery texture and included slime ingredients promise exciting crafting sessions and pure joy. This soft clay is incredibly easy to work with, making slime making a breeze. It's a fantastic addition to any slime kit, providing hours of entertainment. What we like? If you are looking for the ultimate butter slime experience, this is the one. Its stretchy, air-dry texture makes it perfect for creating satisfying slime creations. This is ideal for kids who love sensory play and want to enhance their slime-making adventures. What people say? It's a great alternative to clay. It doesn't dry out as fast. It's soft and pliable and easy for little hands to mold. It is a good size for small projects and it is not sticky. Number 4. Artsity Air Dry Clay 24 Colors Modeling Set. Discover the joy of sculpting with our air dry clay set. It's perfect for both kids and adults looking to bring their imagination to life. Explore a vibrant spectrum with 24 distinct colors. Mix and match them to create any shade you can dream of for your unique projects. This clay is wonderfully pliable, making it easy to shape and mold. Once your creation is complete, simply let it air dry to preserve your masterpiece. Included sculpting tools provide the detail you need for intricate designs. Combine them with your hands for limitless creative potential. Our modeling clay is designed to be safe and environmentally friendly. It offers a fun and worry-free crafting experience for everyone. Not finished with your creation? Store the unused clay in its resealable bag to keep it moist and ready for your next artistic endeavor. What we like? If you want a wide range of colors to spark your imagination, consider this set. You can mix and match the 24 vibrant colors to create unique shades, and the included sculpting tools help bring your ideas to life. This is perfect for both kids and adults who enjoy detailed sculpting and color exploration. What people say? It dries quickly and is easy to clean up. This is a great product for kids to use for crafts. It is lightweight and doesn't dry out quickly. Number 3. Aestd-ST Air Dry Clay 66 Colors. Discover a world of color with our air dry clay set. It includes 66 beautiful shades, plus tools and instructions to get you started on your creative journey. Mix and match to create your own unique colors. This modeling clay helps develop fine motor skills while providing hours of enjoyment for kids. Looking for a special gift? Our soft, non-sticky clay is easy to shape and brightly colored, perfect for sparking creativity and making unique presents for any occasion. With 66 vibrant colors, this modeling clay enhances color recognition and encourages boundless imagination. It's a great way to encourage hand-eye coordination and move away from screens. Rest assured, our clay is safe for children. It's gluten-free, allergen-free, and meets strict safety certifications, making it a worry-free choice for kids aged 3 and up. We are here to help. Our customer service team is dedicated to assisting you with any questions or concerns you might have during your experience with our product. What we like? If you're seeking a vast palette to ignite creativity, this kit with 66 colors is your best bet. Its non-sticky and super light texture makes it easy to handle for all ages, encouraging imaginative play and artistic development. This is a great choice for children who need a fun, engaging alternative to screen time. What people say. Better than Play-Doh, as they can create things and then let them dry to display and be proud of what they made. The vibrancy of the colors is amazing. It dries quickly and doesn't leave a mess like normal Play-Doh does. It allows for easy cleanup. The clay is silky smooth and easy to work with and mold. Models stay together well. It dries overnight and becomes very lightweight. The dried creations won't last forever. Anything too long or thin is likely to break. And if they get wet, the clay gets sticky again. Number 2. Aestd-ST Air Dry Clay 42 Colors. Discover a world of vibrant colors with our Air Dry Clay set. It's packed with everything your child needs to explore their artistic side. With 42 brilliant colors, sculpting tools, molds, and accessories, the fun never ends. This kit provides hours of engaging, creative play. Watch their imagination soar as they shape and mold. This soft, non-sticky clay helps develop color recognition and hand-eye coordination. Crafted from safe, eco-friendly, gluten-free material, it meets strict safety standards. It's perfect for children aged 3 and up. Looking for a unique gift? This modeling clay kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion, encouraging screen-free fun. We're here to help. Our customer service team is ready to assist with any questions you might have. What we like. If you're looking for a comprehensive crafting experience with plenty of extras, this set is ideal. With 42 colors and a wealth of accessories like molds and eyes, it offers endless possibilities for fun. It's perfect for kids who enjoy detailed crafting projects and need a variety of tools to express their creativity. What people say. Better than Play-Doh, as they can create things and then let them dry to display and be proud of what they made. The vibrancy of the colors is amazing. It dries quickly and doesn't leave a mess like normal Play-Doh does. It allows for easy cleanup. The clay is silky smooth and easy to work with and mold. Models stay together well. It dries overnight and becomes very lightweight. The dried creations won't last forever. Anything too long or thin is likely to break. And if they get wet, the clay gets sticky again. Number 1. Artpar 90 Colors Air Dry Clay Kit. Discover a world of color with our Air Dry Clay Kit. It features 90 bright shades and essential tools to bring any idea to life. You can even mix colors to create unique new hues. This modeling clay is wonderfully soft and a joy to work with. It's non-sticky, won't fade or crack, and is perfect for beginners with its easy-to-follow instructions. Watch their imaginations soar as they play with these vibrant colors. This kit helps enhance hand-eye coordination, color matching, and develops fine motor skills. Crafted from eco-friendly, non-sticky materials, our clay is safe for your little ones. It's allergen-free and meets strict safety standards for worry-free creative exploration. Looking for a fun and engaging gift? This DIY clay kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion, offering endless artistic possibilities for kids and teens. Whether for solo projects, classroom fun, or playdates, this versatile clay set provides hours of entertainment. It's a fantastic way to explore the art of clay modeling. What we like. If you want the most extensive color selection for a beginner-friendly experience, this kit with 90 colors is the way to go. It's non-sticky, easy to use, and made with safe, eco-friendly materials. This is an excellent choice for young artists and beginners who want to explore a wide spectrum of colors without any hassle. What people say. It is a great product for kids to use and create with. This is a fun and easy-to-use modeling compound that dries to a smooth, slightly flexible finish. It is lightweight and doesn't dry out as quickly as other modeling clays. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.